Hi everybody, guess what? I have something really cool to show you under here. Now yes, I did get a new camera, and this is the first video uploaded with my new camera. Let's see, it's a Canon PowerShot S110, S110. It's a Canon PowerShot S110. Now, I'm sure a few of you remember the lovely Westinghouse banjo elevators at an undisclosed location. The location is undisclosed for many reasons, and those reasons are undisclosed also. But anyway, as you saw in the video, if you saw the video, I said that they were modernizing the one on the left. Now, the buttons in these things are disgusting because, I mean, they've been there for quite a while, but I mean they were in pretty bad shape, and I didn't really care to get them because I wouldn't want to have to boil them in alcohol. Yeah, boil them in alcohol. So if you boil something in alcohol, the germs are being killed by the alcohol and by the heat of the boiling. But as I said, it was being modernized. My low battery light again. I have parts. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole story of how I got these, but these are not from those elevators. These are just probably some old parts he had in the back of his, the modernizer guy had in the back of his truck. I'm not exactly sure who got the contract to modernize it because I wasn't there. Somebody else got these for me. Now, I need to take a very quick look at this. I don't know if that was this popping or if that was my finger popping. Oops. Try to zoom in on this button. Got yelled at by an Otis technician for filming an elevator. I'm very unlucky when filming elevators. It never wants to focus on this part. Well, anyway, here is the Hall station, which this is pretty much all I got, but it's still pretty cool. So, I have the Hall station. Is it mounted this way or this way? Either way, it doesn't matter. I'm just joking. Okay, if you can kind of see in my unfocused camera, these two contacts touch, or all four of these touch whenever you push the button. And there's no light bulb in here, which this is how you take out the light bulb. Now, before my battery dies, these are Adams buttons. I got the lobby button, the 2 button, the 4 button, the 6 button, the 7 button, the 8 button, the 9 button, the 11 button, 12 button, 15 button, some sort of stop switchy thing. And in this bag here, I have this, which appears to be some sort of buzzer sort of thing. Trying to get my camera to focus on it. This camera doesn't like to focus. It wants to focus, but it doesn't. There we go. High-low tone. Some sort of buzzer. Now while it's focused, there we go. That's how it works. Now these are Adams, before you ask. Then the rest of the buttons that aren't marked came like this, with the contacts showing. So whenever you push the button, basically these two here touch. Then I got all these wires, which they were attached to the buttons. No, I didn't get a COP. These buttons were from the COP. But all these wires I just took off, so I didn't have mangled wires everywhere. I could have cut them, but I took them off nicely so I didn't have like wire stubs on the back of all these things. Now, something that I found and purchased off of eBay, this is my first elevator button. These are my first elevator parts. It's a mimic of a K-Delta button by Innovation. It says it's an Innovation I-Line PB series. So, got this on eBay for $10 plus shipping. Shipping was not very expensive. Now, before my battery dies, these are all my buttons, and Not want to see inside one. Very hard to see because this camera hates to focus. Let's see here. On the lens, there's a little thing that you can twist. And it doesn't work in a video, apparently. Well, you can kind of see the contacts touching, but yeah, that's how one of these buttons works. And yes, this is a 6, because on all the other buttons, the wiring here is at the bottom. So if it's here, the wiring's at the top. So this has got to be a 6. Well, here's my first elevator parts collection. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for making it too long. And probably the next video I upload after this one will be the Otis technician yelling at me. But probably 2 more videos will be uploaded before then. Yeah, I got busted by an Otis technician for filming Otis elevator. Messed up, isn't it? Well, that's it.